Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Shazana Atira binti Ahmad, number matric D202111000341 from Group A in course SMA 3013. Today we will discuss about chapter 2, which is linear algebra. Let's look at this question. There are 3 equations and 3 unknown, x, y and z. This question asks for solve this SLE, which is system linear equation, by using Gauss-Jordan eliminations. Supposedly, in the end, we will get like this form 1, 0, 0, dot line in this part, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Close bracket. Now we go through for this question. Let's convert this equation for this form. X equal to 1, 2x equal to 2, and 7x is equal to 7. In this column, 0, we will put 0 here, and negative y, we will put negative 1. Negative 3y, we will put negative 3. And this, negative 3z, 2, and negative 5. Dot line here. In right hand side, we will put negative 5, 16, and 19. Close bracket. So, what we can see here, we already have leading one in first row and first column. But the problem is, below leading one has not been 0. So, we need to convert this number to 0 using ERO operations. Like this. First, we focus for row 2 to change this number to 0. What we can do is row 2 minus 2 row 1 right on row 2. And second, we can change this number to 0 like row 3 minus 7 row 1 right on row 3. Next step is we can rewrite this row 0 to negative 3, negative 5. In this row, we already changed. Row 2 minus 2 row 1. Row 2 minus 2 row 1, we will get 0 here. This we will get negative 1. And this row 2 minus 2 row 1, we will get 8 here. In right hand side, we will get 26. For the row 3 minus 7 row 1 right on row 3. Row 3 minus 7 row 1, we will get 0 here. This we will get negative 3, and this part we will get 16. In right hand side, we will get 54. Close bracket. So, in this part, we already complete leading one for row 1 and column 1. For next step, we can focus for the row 2 in leading 1. So, we have negative here. We need to change negative to positive. So, we can do negative multiply with row 2 right on row 2. what we get is row 1 and row 3 not changed, so we can rewrite it 1, 0, negative 3, negative 5 here. And row 2, we multiply with negative 0, multiply with negative 0. Negative 1 is 1, and 8 multiply with negative is negative 8. And this part is we get 26. Close bracket. For the row 3, we not change and we can rewrite it like this. Now we can focus in leading 1 on row 2 and column 2. Below and above in leading 1 must be 0. Here we already have 0 in below, but we not have 0 in above leading 1. So we need to change negative 3 to 0. What we can do is 3 multiply with row 2 plus row 3, write it down on row 3. So row 1 and row 2 will not change and we can rewrite like this. And row 3, we change 3 row 2 plus row 3. Here we get 0. And this negative 3, we get 0. Here we will get negative 8. And here we will get negative 24. Now we can focus leading 1 on row 3. We must change this number to 1 and we can change this number to 0. So what we can do is row 2 minus row 3, write on row 2. Second one, we can do negative 1 over 8 multiply with row 3. Write it down on row 3. So what we can get is row 1 not change, 1, 0, negative 3, negative 5. Row 2, we change row 2 minus row 3. Here we can get 0, 1, 0, and here we get negative 2. Row 3, we multiply with negative 1 over 8. So here we get 0, 0, 1, and 3. Now, we must change this number to 0, negative 3. So what we can do is 3, row 3 plus row 1, write in down in row 1. So what we can get is row 1, 1, 0, 0, and right hand side we get 4. In row 2 and row 3 we not change, and we can rewrite 0, 1, 0, negative 2, 0, 0, 1, 3. Now we can see we already have RREF. That means Our calculation is complete. Now we can conclude that x equal to 4, y equal to -2, and z equal to 3. This is unique solution. I already complete my answer for this question today. Thank you for watching my video until the end. See you soon. Bye!
Thank you, gracias, 감사합니다, 아리가또, merci, 谢谢, thank you, thank you, thank you, oh, thank you, gracias, 감사합니다.
Hi. What we can see here, only